Message दोस्तों कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope well and good. You know what? That is the most important thing that matters. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Manchester United versus Tottenham Hotspurs, who have their final of Europa League in a few days. And what can be expected from a final like this, in which two Premier League teams are fighting, who are currently on 16th and 17th placed on Premier League, which is kind of shocking as well, that what sort of final we can expect from a 17th and 16th place team, but they have a lot to fight for. So which is why I feel for neutral fans like me, we are going to have a lot of fun, because for both the teams, this is a trophy that will redefine their season and become a successful one, no matter where they are on the Premier League currently. And now we are going to talk about how we can expect this Manchester United and Tottenham team to be when they go into the finals, and what can happen, what cannot happen from a Manchester United fan's perspective. So I have invited Mohak after very, very long, and I'm very happy and excited to talk to him about this particular final. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video right now. So how are you? It's been too long.
Yeah, it's been, I think, more than couple of years since we last recorded
Two
something.
and a half years, I think. Yeah.
Yeah,
And first of all, congratulations on your marriage. I have seen your
thank you.
pictures. You guys make such a cute couple.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you, by the way. You also got married.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I want to start this video by asking you one thing, that, see, there are so many managers that have come after Sir Alex Ferguson, and it has been either maybe you get a technician like Ralph Ragnick. He was there to, mend things at United. There was Eric Ten Hag. Now there is Amorim, and before that Mourinho. There were so many managers who came after Sir Alex, but nobody could really replicate what he did. Nobody even had to replicate, but थोड़ा बहुत भी एक स्टेबिलिटी जो लेके आना चाहिए था, which I feel was necessary, I don't think वो अभी तक आ पाया है. What do you think is the reason कि, or maybe the most basic thing that Manchester United has to get it right? Like, what is that basic thing that they're not able to see and overlook हो रहा है?
There's a picture on your wall, back there of Jurgen Klopp. When he first said in the press conference, he said that you need to get out of your, uh, history pages. You need to get out of your strawberry world that you're still the biggest and you're still the club that you once used to be. First of all,
Hmm.
congratulations on winning the 20th league title. You thoroughly deserve it.
Thank you.
All the
Thank you.
Liverpool fans. It pains me to say this, but yes, Liverpool thoroughly
Yeah,
deserves it.
that's what I'm saying. आप बहुत प्यार से बोल रहे हो, but I understand. ठीक है. I
But
understand.
credit where it's due. You can never discard someone's effort or someone's achievement if you don't like that particular club or if you don't like that particular individual.
Hmm.
So यर्गन क्लॉप जब पहली बार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बैठे थे, उन्होंने एक चीज बोली थी कि मुझे वक्त चाहिए होगा इस टीम को बिल्ड करने के लिए, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पर बिल शैंकली की लिवरपूल को मैनेज नहीं करना हूँ, मैं उस लिवरपूल को मैनेज करना हूँ जो अपनी आइडेंटिटी लूज कर चुका है ओवर द इयर्स. एंड एक
Hmm.
चीज मैं वादा करता हूँ कि 4 साल में हम एक बिग मेजर ट्रॉफी के साथ बैठे होंगे. एंड द फर्स्ट मेजर ट्रॉफी दैट ही डिलीवर्ड वाज द चैंपियंस लीग बैक इन 2019.
Hmm.
एंड उसके बाद फिर ही वॉन द प्रीमियर लीग एज वेल. तो अगर हम यहाँ पर यूनाइटेड का पैटर्न देखें, इट हैजंट बीन एक ऐसा ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस वाला सीन जहां पर आपने किसी मैनेजर को 3 साल भी दिए हो काम करने को. यू टॉक अबाउट जोसे मोरिनो गॉट सैक्ड इन द थर्ड सीजन. यू टॉक अबाउट ओले गुनर सोल्शर गॉट सैक्ड इन द थर्ड सीजन. यू टॉक अबाउट एरिक टेन हैग गॉट सैक्ड इन द थर्ड सीजन. यू टॉक अबाउट लुई वैन गाल गॉट सैक्ड इन द सेकंड सीजन आफ्टर विनिंग द एफए कप. यू टॉक अबाउट यहाँ पर डेविड मॉइस, ही गॉट सैक्ड इन द फर्स्ट सीजन इटसेल्फ जब हमने उसको 6 साल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया था. And if you talk about now, the current manager of Ruben Amorim, I think the major problem with the fan base is that they are looking at Liverpool and Man City, that these guys are winning trophies every season. These guys are competing for the Champions League every season. These guys are reaching Champions League later stages every season. What about us? But
Hmm.
they are not ready to look into the seriousness of the matter that इन क्लब्स ने अपने मैनेजर्स पे, स्पेशली लिवरपूल ने अपने मैनेजर या अपनी टीम स्क्रैच से बिल्ड करने का. He was responsible for every signing. He was asked about his opinions, which player he wants at the club and which player should not be there at the club. उसने
Hmm.
डिसाइड किया कि फर्स्ट टीम से लेकर अकेडमी तक कौन सी फुटबॉल खेली जाएगी, क्योंकि इट वुड बी इजियर फॉर द अकेडमी ग्रेजुएट्स टू गेट इंटीग्रेटेड इन द फर्स्ट टीम. द प्राइम एग्जांपल्स आर कॉनर ब्रैडली, एंड अगर हम कौन सा
Hmm.
की बात करें, ये दोनों वहीं से आए हैं उठ के. उसने यहाँ पर बड़ी साइनिंग से ज्यादा पोटेंशियल साइनिंग्स पे इन्वेस्ट किया. I mean, Hull City got relegated, but Trent, you guys signed him for just 5 million, and
Hmm.
the return that he has given you. Salah was a Premier League failure when he was at Chelsea, but he brought him back to the, matlab, he brought him back into the Premier League setup, and he
Hmm.
is currently the best winger out there in the Premier League and one of the best in the world as well. अगर इस साल लिवरपूल चैंपियंस लीग जीत जाती, he might have won the Ballon d'Or as well. So the big problem at United is the impatience, also the lack of vision, from the management. You cannot build a team around senior figures only, and you cannot build a team around youngsters only. There has to be a right balance. There has to be a perfect balance. क्योंकि जब क्लॉप अपनी टीम बना रहा था, he still kept Henderson, and Henderson was not the best player in that Liverpool side,
Hmm.
but he was the experienced one. And when you try to build a team that would compete for titles going into the seasons or years, you would want somebody who knows in and out of the club. You need somebody who has that experience of being in that mid table position, and also experience that whole
Exactly.
setup of being there in the top five, top four, or top two. And
Hmm.
same can be said about James Milner as well. Those two were very critical part of Jurgen Klopp's system. Not the most
Hmm.
clinical ones, not the most, I would say, important ones, but definitely the most experienced ones. And
Hmm.
experience do count. United is sitting 16th in the league table right now. We are an absolute disgrace if you talk about in the Premier League. But the one thing that United fans can be hopeful about is the Europa League run. And अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें, we are the only team in the entire European competitions to go unbeaten. मतलब you talk
Yeah.
about the Champions League, you talk about the Conference League. If Europa League is that easy, how come Chelsea not reach the finals of the Conference League by going with the zero defeats? I don't think that's so easy. And it's not like कि हमने बहुत ही easy opponents face kiye hain. We face Porto,
Yeah.
we face Fenerbahce, then we face Real Sociedad, then Olympic
Hmm.
Lyon. We almost bottled that game against Olympic Lyon after being 2-0 up, but our players showed that character. And then ultimately the semi-finals of the Europa League, when everybody thought that Bilbao are going to rip us apart, we came up with the goods and we defeated them fair and score by with an aggregate score of 7-1. So hope is there, but the problem with United is that the players are not as determined as the Liverpool players, or as determined as the Man City players, or as determined as the Arsenal players, or as determined as the this season's Barcelona players, you know. And
What is
आप
like,
ना,
पहले
हाँ,
एक टाइम था जब यूनाइटेड के लिए कोई खेल रहा होता था, दे वुड गिव इट ऑल बिकॉज इट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट क्लब्स आउट देयर, एंड व्हेन दे गेट टू प्ले फॉर दैट शर्ट दे वुड जितना खेलना आता है उससे 10% ज्यादा ही देते थे. एंड अभी अगर आप यही सोचो, एंटनी देखो भाई, आपने साइन किया लेकिन रियल बेटिस में जाके एक्चुअली में बेटर परफॉर्म कर रहा है. चाहे आप पुराने टाइम्स का देख लो, डी मारिया देख लो यार, उस टाइम पे जब खेला था, आई थिंक व्हेन ही लेफ्ट यूनाइटेड ही स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग बेटर. इवन लुकाकू, और फॉर दैट से डिपाई देख लो आप. ऑल ऑफ दीज प्लेयर्स कहीं ना कहीं ये यूनाइटेड के लिए वो आउटपुट नहीं दिखा पा रहे हैं, बट व्हेन दे गोइंग टू सम अदर क्लब they're doing that. Then what is the issue? That I think only Bruno Fernandes is one player who has been consistent, very consistent, the only one. I don't know how is he managing to do that, to get that motivation, but nobody else is able to do that. But what is the problem? Don't you think that these players, these particular players you guys are signing, they are doing better when they're leaving the club, but at the club there is an issue?
I think Nitika, the main reason behind that is that when you play for a club that hasn't won a Premier League trophy for the last 12 seasons, there is a certain pressure that adds up to your signing, and the fan base expect a particular number of goals or a particular standard of performances week in week out from you. And under that
Exactly.
pressure, the young ones usually fall apart, and that's what is happening at United. You talk about Anthony, you talk about Rasmus Hoyland, or you talk about Scott McTominay, who just left the club and is about to win the
Hmm.
Serie A title with Napoli. You look at Liverpool, you've got multiple leaders. There is Virgil van Dijk, there is Alisson,
Hmm.
there's Mohamed Salah. Uh, you know,
Robertson.
yeah, and Robertson as well. Yes. Then you talk about
Your video is gone. Yeah.
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 Then you talk about Man City. At Man City, up until now they had Kevin De Bruyne, then they had
Hmm.
Ederson as well. Ruben Diaz is there. Guardiola is young, but he's also one of the leaders of that group.
Hmm.
Then you talk about यहाँ पर Phil Foden. He's young, but he takes responsibility. Bernardo Silva is there. Rodri is there. Out of all people, he has been
Hmm.
the most crucial one for them over the last couple of seasons. At United, you don't have multiple match winners and you don't have multiple leaders. Bruno is a leader, and Bruno is the only match winner. If I have to call out somebody from my team, Casemiro is a leader, but Casemiro is not
Hmm.
the consistent one because he is aging, right? And I can't blame him for that. The youngsters need to take responsibility. Nitika, I'm so sorry, मेरा camera ना कभी कभी glitch कर जाता है, तो I hope that's fine.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके.
Um, then you talk about Marcus Rashford as well. Marcus Rashford played for United for 8 seasons,
Hmm.
never became the captain material, never became the leader of the group. You know, if you end up playing 8 seasons for a Premier League club, people expect you to be the
Exactly.
leader of the group. People
Of
expect you to lead
course.
the line. People expect you to be an example. Just like how Salah has become for Liverpool, or just like
Hmm.
how you wanted Trent to become the leader. I know
Hmm.
there are certain things that has hampered your relationship with Trent Arnold. But one thing you
Hmm.
can be proud of, till the day he was there at Liverpool, he was committed to the project. he was
Exactly.
he was thoroughly
Absolutely.
committed to the project, and he gave it
Hmm.
all. He helped you win
Hmm.
trophies. He helped you win Champions League. He helped you win the Club
You
World
know,
Cup.
like what you're saying about the leadership and actually getting the wins or maybe having the heart at the right place. I'll tell you, we had this match against Everton. It was one of the
Yeah,
most irritating matches I have seen. And
yeah,
last minute pay when Everton players started celebrating in front of our fans, and it was Curtis Jones who just stood up there, that
yeah,
you cannot do that. There are people, Harvey Elliott would start like, fighting to support the club to show that his heart is at the right place. I think this gives
yeah.
motivation to other players as well. This is something which is very necessary. And like you mentioned about Rashford, I remember I always have these discussions with people that I don't understand what is the hype about the player, because when he had to turn up for United, I think he never did. Like rightly you mentioned.
See, he is a big game player. He has got good numbers against the big clubs, but the problem is he's not delivering those numbers on a consistent basis. I don't want him to
Hmm.
perform in one game and then he goes missing for the next 7 or 8 games. We don't want that those players, because you're not earning 100k per week or 150k per week. You're earning
Hmm.
325k per week. That's a hell lot
Yeah,
of
of
money.
course.
you know
Exactly.
Salah is earning that sort of money, or the
Hmm.
players who've been performing ईयर आफ्टर ईयर एट दैट लेवल, जहां पर वो 20 गोल एक सीजन में प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं ईयर आफ्टर ईयर,
Hmm.
वो चीज यहाँ पर वो करते हैं.
So there was a camera glitch, and we were talking about Rashford, and you were talking about Rashford. So yeah, let's
Yeah.
continue.
आई मीन यस, व्हाइल आई टॉक अबाउट रैशफोर्ड, मैं यही बोलता हूँ कि मतलब जैसे अभी ट्रेंट का जो भी सीन रहा लिवरपूल के साथ, बट वन
Hmm.
थिंग वी कैन नेवर क्वेश्चन अबाउट हिज लॉयल्टी और हिज डेडिकेशन टुवर्ड्स द क्लब. अब जा रहा है वो बात
Absolutely.
अलग है, उसने दिल तोड़ दिया, उसने यहाँ पर कंटिन्यू नहीं किया. ही कुड हैव बिकम not the second Steven Gerrard, but the first Trent Arnold for Liverpool,
Hmm.
and could have
Hmm.
had a much, much, much bigger career than Steven Gerrard in terms of trophies and accolades, अगर हम बात करें. But when I talk about Rashford, the guy has got potential. At one point he was competing against Mbappe. लोग उसको यहाँ पर बोलते थे कि भाई Mbappe and Rashford could be the future of football
Hmm.
आने वाली generation के लिए. But the whole point is, how much does he really want it? How much does he really want to make the difference for his club? अब यहाँ पर it's not like he's earning 100 or 150k per week. He's earning 325k per week. So you have to lead the line by an example. After playing 8 seasons for United, you should be the
Hmm.
captain without the armband, because a team that wins the
Exactly.
trophy always would have at least 5 6 leaders in the team. Right now
Hmm.
United के पास वो एक फिगर सिर्फ ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस है,
Bruno
as you
है.
said. तो पॉइंट वही है कि जैसे एमरिम को अब अपनी टीम अब बनानी है ना, तो उसको एक चीज का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, दैट उसके पास मैच विनर्स कम है, उसके पास लीडर्स कम है. उसके बनाने पड़ेंगे मैच विनर्स, उसको बनाने पड़ेंगे यहाँ पर लीडर्स, जैसे आपके क्लॉप ने बनाए, जैसे उसने क्लॉप
Hmm.
ने रॉबर्टसन को एक लीडर बनाया, जैसे उसने यहाँ पर
Hmm.
एलिसन को एक लीडर बनाया. वर्जिल वैन डाइक हैड दैट ऑरा, हैड दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हैड दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ लीडरशिप. बट वो एक सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग जो क्लॉप ने दी उसको, कि ठीक है, you have just joined from Southampton, but you will
Hmm.
be a very key figure for this football club. तो वो एक चीज एमरिम को करनी है, लेकिन क्या एमरिम को वो टाइम मिलेगा, वो इस यूरोपा लीग फाइनल
That
पे
is true.
डिपेंड करता है.
So it's like putting all your eggs in one basket. Do you think अगर ये यूरोपा फाइनल नहीं होता आपके पास तो एमोरिम को चांस मिलता ही ना, मतलब ये जो एक लास्ट स्ट्रॉ बचा है वो भी ना मिलता और अगले साल हम एक नया मैनेजर देखते यूनाइटेड का? डू यू थिंक इतना जल्दी जज करते या फिर थोड़ा टाइम मिलता?
प्रॉब्लम क्या रहने का कि हम आज के टाइम में मैनेजर्स को 8-10 साल मैनेज करते देखते नहीं है, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ हाउ
हम्म
दे परफॉर्म। लुक एट कार्लो एंचेलोटी, 3 सीजन में 2 UCL, 2 ला लीगा, एक कोपा डेल रे एंड एक सुपर कोपा दे स्पेनिया, 2 क्लब वर्ल्ड कप, उसके साथ ही साथ
हम्म
यहाँ एक क्लब वर्ल्ड कप, 2 सुपर यूएफए सुपर कप। स्टिल he is sacked now and he is going to join
हम्म
Brazil national team. तो द
ब्राजील
रीजन
या
इज कि भाई फैन बेस, बड़े क्लब्स का फैन बेस यहाँ पर इम्पेशेंट होता है और होना भी चाहिए, बिकॉज उनकी अगर पहचान है तो दैट इज बिकॉज दे विन बिग ट्रॉफीज। यूनाइटेड ने यहाँ पर बड़ी ट्रॉफी नहीं जीती है। एंड सी, ये शायद ये डिस्कशन हो भी ना रहा होता अगर यूनाइटेड टॉप 8 में होती। आई एम नॉट इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट टॉप 4 या टॉप 6। अगर वो टॉप 8 में होते या फिर अगर वो टॉप 10 में भी होते, यूनाइटेड इज
हम्म
करेंटली सिटिंग 16th इन द लीग टेबल,
एग्जैक्टली
रिकॉर्ड
18
ब्रेकिंग
लॉसेस
18 लॉसेस। हिस्ट्री में कभी यूनाइटेड ने प्रीमियर लीग हिस्ट्री में इतने
या
मैचेस नहीं हारे हैं। उसके साथ ही साथ आप अगर हम देखें तो टेक्निकली जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि यार अगर आपको रेलीगेट होने से बचना है तो आपको कम से कम 40
हम्म
पॉइंट्स चाहिए होंगे, अभी तक यूनाइटेड ने वो 40 पॉइंट्स का बैरियर भी क्रॉस नहीं किया है। तो हाँ, एमरिम
हम्म
डिजर्व्स हिज सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म एंड सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ स्क्रूटनी, बिकॉज आप इतने खराब नहीं हो सकते कि आप यूरोपा लीग अनबीटन जाओ लेकिन आप प्रीमियर लीग में पिछले 8 गेम्स में विनलेस हो। तो वो तो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। एंड आई थिंक
एग्जैक्टली
उसमें राइवल्स अगर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, हमारा फैन बेस क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, बिल्कुल सही है। बट फिर हमें ये भी समझना पड़ेगा कब रुकेगी ये साइकिल, कब हम यहाँ पर हर 6 महीने के बाद शॉपिंग कर रहे होंगे एक नए मैनेजर के लिए।
एग्जैक्टली
बिकॉज अगर इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे देखा जाए, देर आर नो बिग मैनेजर्स अवेलेबल दैट वुड रिस्क देयर करियर by joining Manchester United, who which is a suicidal project right now for players and for managers. You know, you talk about Louis Van Gaal, post United उसने क्या किया? He took the retirement, then came back and यहाँ पर मैनेज किया नेदरलैंड्स को, बट what else did he do? कुछ नहीं किया उसके बाद। You talk about Mourinho after getting sacked from United, joined Spurs, then went to Roma, फिर उसके बाद अभी he's managing Fenerbahce. He has lost that aura. Then you talk about Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, he was doing pretty well results के मामले में, goal scoring के मामले में, but he was labeled
या
as a PE teacher. You talk about
I
then
think
Ralph Rangnick.
Ole had that vibe where he knew that what it feels like playing for the shirt, and he was trying to get that in the players that this is what it is. I think you would get that vibe when Ole was the manager, but after that or maybe before that, it just felt like United did not have an identity. They were looking for one, that how we are supposed to be when Sir Alex Ferguson left. I think कहीं ना
भाई,
कहीं वो बहुत बड़ा mismatch हो गया.
I'll tell you one thing नितिका, पता है बड़े क्लब्स में ना टैक्टिक्स वगैरह एक सर्टेन पॉइंट के बाद आप यहाँ पर कोच करना बंद करते हो, आप पर्सनैलिटीज ट्रेन करते हो, बिकॉज वो पर्सनैलिटीज
Exactly.
अपने आप में मैच विनर्स बनती हैं। क्लॉप ने शुरू के 4 साल टीम ग्रूम की, 5 साल टीम ग्रूम की, उसके बाद उसकी टीम सेल्फ सस्टेनेबल थी कि वो उस सिस्टम के ऊपर खुद ही यहाँ पर आगे कैरी करते जा रहे थे। एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेड देम द चैंपियंस ऑफ इंग्लैंड एंड मेड देम द चैंपियंस ऑफ यूरोप, took them to the 3 Champions League finals as well. Unfortunately, 2 बार Madrid आ गई सामने, इसलिए वो जीत नहीं पाए। You lost the
हाँ.
title on couple of occasions with a single point margin, even
Yeah.
after scoring more than 90 points, जो कि
Hmm.
आज के सीजन में you have won the title without scoring 90 points. तो that speaks volume के कभी कभी circumstances नहीं फेवर करते हैं। And you said the correct thing that
Exactly.
ओले के अंडर वो वाइब थी। प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है कि ओले के पास उस टाइम पे एक फ्रीडम थी कहीं ना कहीं कि वो अपने तरीके से प्लेयर्स को मैनेज कर पा रहा था, और उसको रिजल्ट से ज्यादा एक फैन बेस को खुशी देने की वो थी, एक ड्यूटी थी उसके एंड से, बिकॉज ही प्रीवियसली प्लेड फॉर द क्लब, ही वांटेड टू गिव द जॉय टू द फैन बेस। राइट नाउ द प्लेयर्स आर नॉट प्लेइंग फॉर द बैच, एज यू करेक्टली सेड। उसके साथ ही साथ दे आर नॉट इवन प्लेइंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स, फॉरगेट अबाउट प्लेइंग फॉर द बैच। एक प्लेयर अपने खुद के करियर के लिए खेलता है, यूनाइटेड
Exactly.
प्लेयर्स आर नॉट इवन डूइंग दैट। यू नो, ट्रेंट आर्नल्ड, जब रूमर्स आ भी रहे थे दैट ही इज गोइंग टू लीव लिवरपूल, not for once he play half-heartedly for Liverpool, not for once I can call out कि यहाँ पर उसने ये सोचा कि अब तो मैं जा ही रहा हूँ, ठीक है ये लीग जीतने ही वाले हैं, I won't give my 100%. He just wanted to make sure, ठीक है, there will be games where he has committed mistakes, he got called out for his weak defending and everything जो भी होता है मैच में, कुछ instances ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पर a player loses his cool, But when we talk about, the departure of Trent, I think he delivered the title number 20th for you people. He was part of that
Hmm.
squad. He did his job, and then he chose to achieve his dream. He chose to fulfill his dream for, by playing for Real Madrid, because he
Hmm.
wanted to experience something new. When we talk about United players, they are earning a hell lot of money. No club in the entire Europe would pay that sort of money to them, except for the Saudi Pro League, जहां पर उनको पैसा
Yeah.
मिलेगा. यूरोप का कोई क्लब एक्सेप्ट फॉर ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस, उसको किसी को वो वेजेस नहीं देगा जो वो अर्न
Hmm.
कर
Hmm.
रहे हैं.
Hmm.
You talk about Andre Onana, then you talk about यहाँ पर Rasmus Højlund, or you talk about Luke Shaw, an unfit Luke Shaw, then you
Hmm.
talk about Victor Lindelof, you talk about
Yeah.
यहाँ पर Johnny Evans, or you talk about, even if you talk about Diego Dello. We have the habit of overhyping our players, and then regretting it the very next year, because we hyped Marcus Rashford, and I was so certain about it. जब वो उसने वो 41 गोल्स असिस्ट वाला सीजन प्रोड्यूस किया था, आई सेड next
Hmm.
season you'll see a different Marcus Rashford. You won't be getting these many goals. He won't rise up to
Hmm.
the occasion, because now he has signed the new contract. That ambition of earning more money has been fulfilled. You won't
Yeah.
see that fire in his belly anymore. And he proved me right.
अरे ऑफ द पिच जो बंदा है ना रैशफोर्ड आई थिंक भगवान का बंदा है ऑनेस्टली ऑफ द पिच आई हैव नॉट सीन अ बेटर ह्यूमन बीइंग इन फुटबॉल देन ही हैज बीन इट्स अमेजिंग दैट व्हाट ही डज एंड एज एन rival fan I appreciate I seriously I learn so much from what he does but on the pitch वो जो आप बोल रहे हो leadership वो कहीं ना कहीं missing definitely था but moving forward to this question Amorim when he was managing Sporting तो ऑलमोस्ट 27 प्लेयर्स को यंग प्लेयर्स को फर्स्ट टीम डेब्यू दिया है इन हिज 4 year करियर एट स्पोर्टिंग what do you think is going to happen to Man United Academy? Are you really excited about some players who can actually be the leaders and take it on themselves and under Amorim can see the first team debut or maybe first team football and they might change the course? The youngsters, can they do that?
See, there is this famous quote that it's in the history of this football club, it's in the blood of this football club. They never ever give up. And if we can come up strongly after facing that
Hmm.
Munich disaster, if we look at how bad we were pre Sir Alex, we went 26 years without the first division title, and then
Hmm.
finally we won it. And there were players from the class of 92. Then we went on to win the historic treble. The class of
Hmm.
92 was a very very big part of that team. So yes, academy do play a very big role, but the problem with United is उनके पास वो बारसा लेवल प्लेयर्स हैं नहीं. अब यहाँ पर वो साइन कर रहे हैं, अब यहाँ पर वो यंग प्लेयर्स को ग्रूम कर रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ पर पहले जो यूनाइटेड करती थी कि यंग प्लेयर्स को अपने राइवल से पिक कर लेना और उनको ग्रूम करना. अगर हम बात करें, वी पिक्ड young Rio Ferdinand who was already a leader at Leeds. Then
Hmm.
we picked on Adam Smith as well when he was playing for Leeds. Then फिर हमने यहाँ पर इस सीजन में एडन हेवन और चीदो मार्टिन्स साइन किए आर्सेनल अकेडमी से. तो हाँ, मतलब अकेडमी अब यहाँ पर शायद हमें वो आउटपुट दे पाए. मैं अभी भी ये नहीं बोलूंगा दे देगी, शायद हमें दे पाए, बट दैट्स अ
Hmm.
बिग इफ कि एमरिम को कितना टाइम मिलेगा. और एमरिम अगर सैक होता है तो अगला मैनेजर कौन होगा. I don't want to talk about the sacking of Ruben Amorim because it makes no sense. You simply
Yeah.
cannot go in every window and bring a new manager, because अभी क्या है, last summer window में we had Eric Ten Hag. He signed 5 new players
Hmm.
and then he sacked. Then he got the sack.
Yeah.
Then came Ruben Amorim. उस बंदे को उसके previous manager के ही signing के साथ काम करना पड़ा, and he got
Hmm.
just one signing and that was Peter Dorgu. उसके बाद यहाँ पर अब समर आ रही है. समर में लेट्स से कि रूबन एमरिम को उसकी साइनिंग्स मिलती हैं, एंड लेटर ऑन इफ ही गेट सैक्ड, अगर परफॉर्मेंसेस नहीं आती हैं, देन द
Hmm.
नेक्स्ट मैनेजर हैज टू बेयर द बर्डन ऑफ दीज प्रीवियस टू मैनेजर साइनिंग. तो वो चीज किसी भी तौर पे फ्रूटफुल नहीं है.
Hmm.
लेट द मैनेजर हैव एटलीस्ट 3 years ऑफ रन. Let him
Exactly.
build his team, let him plant the seeds, and after a couple of seasons you can see the difference. And if there is no difference, then you take the decision right after the season ends. मतलब 2025-26 सीजन जो होगा, वो सीजन एंड होते में where does United stand in the Premier League and in other competitions. On behalf of that, you can take a call on Ruben Amorim's future, and then फिर season end होते ही bring a new manager, give him the fresh season, give him the fresh summer window, give him the fresh pre-season tour, and let him
Hmm.
have his players and let him decide who should stay at the club and who should not. Because ऐसे नहीं टीम बनती हैं. अगर हम बात करें यहाँ पर आपके लिवरपूल की, लिवरपूल में यर्गन क्लॉप को फ्रीडम थी कि भाई वो अपनी टीम सेलेक्ट करेगा। अगर उसको नहीं चाहिए मार्टिन स्कर्टल, उसको नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पर बाकी प्लेयर्स, तो नहीं चाहिए, इट वाज हिज कॉल। एंड अब अगर यहाँ पर देखा जाए, मैन सिटी फॉलोड द सेम पाथ, एंड मैन सिटी ने इसीलिए इस साल समर में इन्वेस्ट ना करके विंटर में किया, एंड देन दे इम्प्रूव्ड देयर कंडीशन इन द लीग। एट वन पॉइंट इट लुक लाइक कि भाई वो तो बहुत ही बुरा पिटने वाले हैं, दे माइट फिनिश आउटसाइड टॉप 10 एज वेल, बट स्टिल इवन आफ्टर सच अ डिजास्टर सीजन, जो हम सिटी स्टैंडर्ड से इस बार बोल रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे वेंट ट्रॉफीलेस, दिस दे स्टिल बी प्लेइंग द चैंपियंस लीग फुटबॉल नेक्स्ट सीजन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, अगर वो एक मैच भी जीत जाते हैं तो। कैन वी से द सेम अबाउट यूनाइटेड दैट नेक्स्ट सीजन United will be among the European places? We simply cannot, because the performance were by far the worst.
नो, अगर हम यही जो आप बात बोल रहे हैं, इसको अगर हम अभी टॉटनम वाले डिस्कशन में लेके आते हैं, द मैच दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टॉटनम एंड फॉर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड एज वेल, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट एट स्टेक. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू डिफाइन हाउ योर सीजन वाज, नो मैटर वेयर यू आर ऑन द प्रीमियर लीग राइट नाउ. एंड अगर करंट फॉर्म के बारे में बात करते हैं, वो तो आप भी बोलो, पिछले अगर दो प्रीमियर लीग के मैचेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, दोनों ही हारे हैं. टॉटनम भी पिछले दो हारा है, आप लोग भी हारे हैं. बट अगर हम इस सीजन के बारे में बात करते हैं, 3 मैचेस हुए हैं आपके टॉटनम के अगेंस्ट, एंड तीनों के तीनों यूनाइटेड हारा है. सो इट्स अ बिग थिंग गोइंग इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर फाइनल. एंड अगर आपने टॉटनम के मैनेजर का सुना है, तो ही सेड दैट आई ऑलवेज विन समथिंग इन माय सेकंड सीजन. इट्स अ बिग स्टेटमेंट, एंड इट माइट जस्ट गिव हिम कॉन्फिडेंस एंड द टीम कॉन्फिडेंस, बट देयर आर इंजरी इश्यूज एज वेल. So what are you thinking, and like what are your major concerns going into the match, and what about the injuries? Who all are you going to be missing from United squad?
I mean, as you said, उसने बोला है एंज ने that he always ends up winning something in his second season at the club. We will not be playing against Spurs. We will be playing against that statement. क्योंकि देखो, अगर स्पर्स हार भी जाता है, people will say, oh, it's Spurs, what's new? They always lose the trophy winning opportunities. They always end
After
up losing the
17 years,
finals.
they will be winning something if they end up winning something,
right. But when we talk about United, there is a necessity for United to win this Europa League, not because that will give us some bragging rights, for this season, or that will salvage something for us. This Europa League trophy will give us something to spend in the market. This is required to improve the next season and to salvage something in this season also. This Europa League victory will impact the coming transfer window and the transfer window year after that as well. क्योंकि आप अगर इस साल नहीं जीते, आप चैंपियंस लीग नहीं खेलोगे, which directly cut short your revenue source. जब वो revenue source cut short होगा and आपके पास पैसा कम होगा, you won't be able to invest that money into the transfer market. You won't be able to bring new players, and if you end up not signing the players that you required for Ruben Amorim's system, you might face a similar kind of situation next season as well. तो ये सीजन गया, इसका अगला सीजन गया, एंड उसका अगले सीजन भी गया. तो दिस डायरेक्टली हैम्पर्स 3 straight seasons for Manchester United. I don't care, क्या रिकॉर्ड है, क्या रिकॉर्ड नहीं है स्पर्स के अगेंस्ट. एंज जब से आया, हम 5 मुकाबलों में विनलेस है. We last defeated them in 2022 at Old Trafford when Ronaldo walked out. उस टाइम पे when Ten Hag was the manager, वो वाला लास्ट मैच जब हम जीते थे. But in finals, the head-to-head record goes out of the window. All the pre-media talks goes out of the window. It's about who wants it more. It's about who will step up on that given day, who will take the responsibility. They don't have Madison, they don't have Kulusevski, we don't have Lisandro Martinez, we don't have a goalkeeper, because Onana plays in that goalkeeping department, but it feels like nobody is there because it's an open goal for the opponents. Then you talk about Højlund being there up top as a number 9. He rarely score goals. He is a liability for United. I mean, अगर हम extreme ends of the pitch पे देखें, Onana is a liability for United for the goalkeeping post, and then as a number 9, Højlund is a liability for the number 9 position.
I was having a live in which we were talking about Nunez, and they were United fans, and they were telling me that at least Nunez will give you vibes on the pitch. Nunez will at least defend something, but Højlund will not even do that. So trust me, he is more a liability than you think David Nunez is. Do you think that is correct?
I have always said, if I have had the opportunity to sign somebody from all the number 9s that are available, I would have gone for Darwin Núñez, because he's young, he's quick. Also, he makes those half chances for himself. Yes, uski finishing kharab hai, but that can be improved. You cannot give up on a player. You know, you look at
He's
Anthony.
always at the right places at the right time. He'll always know कि हाँ यहाँ पे बॉल आएगा, but end में जाके just one touch that is
I'll tell you
required
why.
for him to finish.
I'll tell you why. सबसे पहली चीज, he's playing in a team where Salah is scoring hell lot of goals, you know,
Hmm.
up top. Then you have got Luis Diaz जो आते ही fan favorite बन गया. वो जिस सीजन
Hmm.
में आया, सिटी ने हालैंड साइन किया, तो he was competing
Hmm.
directly against Erling Haaland. That has put a lot of pressure. Also, Liverpool
Yeah,
paid a hell lot of money for Darwin Núñez because
exactly.
Benfica
And we don't
सस्ते में
usually
नहीं
do
बेचते.
that.
एग्जैक्टली.
Hmm.
लिवरपूल यू डोंट यूजुअली डू दैट, और लिवरपूल ने प्रीवियसली जब दो बार ऐसा किया था, once you did it for
Hmm.
Virgil van Dijk and the other time was
Hmm.
for Alisson, both of
Hmm.
the players gave you heavy returns, both of the players gave you the trophies that you craved for. But you cannot say the same about Darwin Núñez. But I think इसमें न्यूनेस की गलती है, वो तो है. I think the players around him as well are somewhat responsible for it, because if a player is not feeling confident, और ऐसा नहीं कि उसने मोमेंट्स नहीं दिए हैं, he came on as a substitute,
Hmm.
won you the game against Newcastle when you were 10
Yeah,
men,
yeah,
you know. So
yeah.
there have been games where he has shown glimpses that yes, he has got the spirit that he can be
Hmm.
the number 9. बट वही वाली बात है, जहां पर अब इतने सारे प्लेयर्स परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उस बीच में अगर एक नंबर 9 है जो कि लगातार अपॉर्चुनिटी यूज कर रहा हो, यू विल कॉल हिम आउट. फॉर यूनाइटेड द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट nobody is scoring goals, and on top of that we paid 75 million for Rasmus Hojlund, and he cannot score more goals than Mark
Hmm.
Cucurella in Premier League. Cucurella has got more goals than Rasmus Hojlund in Premier League.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a big, big problem thinking about how a number nine has to do his number nine things. It's as simple as that, especially when the team is not performing. So you need to find some other outlet to get those goals. Otherwise, वो position ना खराब हो गया. It's as simple as that. मतलब you cannot even count कि you are playing with 11-man team. Then it's like हाँ दो तो liability है. फिर जो बचा है उसमें try and get something out, because you never
Yep.
know कि या तो वो goal concede कर लेगा, आगे वाला वो मार नहीं पाएगा. So it's always a struggle going into matches where your number nine is not performing. And कहीं ना कहीं, even I was, this season I was just thinking कि हमको अगर number nine अभी sign करना है, तो I would want to go for somebody who's very traditional old school number nine. Like तू भाई पीछे मत आ, तू मत जा deep, कुछ मत कर. जो हम पहले के time के number nines देखते थे ना, out and out striker, like be that. Just do the finishing and all the dirty work will be done by other players. मतलब मेरा इस बार थोड़ा थिंकिंग वैसा जा रहा है. बहुत फॉल्स नाइन एंड डीप प्लेइंग मेकर ये सब सब देख लिया है. इस बार थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है कि लेट्स गो फॉर समथिंग डिफरेंट. आई डू नॉट नो इफ दैट विल हैपन, बट आई जस्ट थ्रो इन अ सिचुएशन हियर फॉर यू. इफ यू हैड टू स्वap either the manager or the ownership with Tottenham, what would you take?
I won't take anything. No, no, no. I'm happy with Ruben Amorim. See, Ruben Amorim was doing a brilliant job at Sporting. He made
Yeah.
them the champions after such a long time. Uske
Hmm.
baad, Sporting was regularly featuring in the Champions League competition as well. This year, before he joined United, he defeated Man City in his last game for Sporting, and
Hmm.
he absolutely annihilated Man City in that fixture, in the Champions League
Yeah.
fixture. तो ऐसा नहीं है दैट ही इज अ बैड मैनेजर. एंज पोस्टेकोग्लू इज आल्सो अ वेरी गुड मैनेजर, बट I won't swap, for sure I won't swap the ownership, because a management sacked Jose right before the final. मतलब that was their biggest opportunity of winning a trophy. अगर मैं बात करूं,
Hmm.
जोजे से बड़ा आपको मैनेजर नहीं मिलने वाला था in that
Hmm.
situation. Jose has lost just one final, the two
Hmm.
finals in his entire life. एक वो FA का final हमारे साथ रहा था when Phil Jones gave the penalty to Eden Hazard, and then the other
Hmm.
was when he lost the Europa League final अभी लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर अगेंस्ट सेविया.
Hmm.
तो यहाँ पर अगर मैं बात करूं स्पर्स के मैनेजमेंट की, उनको तो मैं नहीं लूंगा. नई मैनेजमेंट है हमारी, ऑल्दो आई एम नॉट एंटायरली हैप्पी विद देयर वर्क, बट स्टिल आई वुड गिव देम द टाइम टू बिल्ड देयर सिस्टम, टू ब्रिंग प्लेयर्स, टू establish something that has not been there for the last 20 years since the
Hmm.
Glazers took over. तो हाँ, मतलब it will take time, but I won't. If I have to change something, change the ownership or change the manager, I would gladly exchange it with Man City. Obviously, for all the right reasons.
या ऑफ कोर्स, अगर जाना ही है, ड्रीम करना ही है, तो व्हाई नॉट ड्रीम बिग रादर देन जो
Absolutely,
सेम ही पोजीशन पे है. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ डूइंग दैट? बट
absolutely.
to this Tottenham's match, what do you think like are the clear cut issues that you can see in United squad and you wish कि बस वो फाइनल वाला मेंटालिटी लेके आए, एक विनिंग मेंटालिटी लेके आए, और वो जो ना देखने को मिले. So what are the problems that you can see in United's team currently?
आई थिंक दैट ऑब्सेशन ऑफ प्लेइंग लॉन्ग बॉल्स, आई डोंट नो व्हाई वी डू दैट, पता नहीं हम तो, क्योंकि हम एरियली बहुत वीक हैं, बहुत पुअर है, हमारा नंबर 9 हार्डली विंस एनी डुअल्स. देन यू
Hmm.
टॉक अबाउट प्लेइंग हाई लाइन, दैट ऑब्सेशन ऑफ प्लेइंग हाई लाइन does makes no sense to me. We
पीछे
have to be
बनाना है
better.
तो.
या वी हैव टू बी बेटर एट क्रॉसेस, क्योंकि हम बहुत बहुत खराब हैं वाइल डिफेंडिंग क्रॉसेस. कट इन करके हम शॉट्स बहुत इजीली कंसीड करते हैं. वी लीव अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस बिकॉज हम अपने सेंटर मिड्स को बहुत हाई पुश करते हैं, विच लीव्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस ऑन द फ्लैंक एज वेल. यूनाइटेड
Hmm.
hardly stops any attack from the flanks because Dorgu is not that good. He's young, I'm not judging him. Also, अगर मैं बात करूं, Mazrui looks more comfortable while playing in a back four formation or in a side center back position rather than playing in a wing back position. Dello is piss
Hmm.
poor, defensively अगर मैं बात करूं. So yes, these are the areas that United need to be very concerned about, and obviously the goalkeeping department as usual. The biggest concern for me is we haven't outscored Spurs in the last 5 meetings, and to win a football game you have to outscore your opponent. आप 5 कंसीड कर रहे हो, लेकिन अगर आप 6 मार रहे हो तो आप मैच जीत रहे हो. फिर फर्क नहीं पड़ता
अरे
आपने 5
बार्सिलोना
कंसीड.
इस बार कितना किया है वो चीज यार.
यस.
तुम
एंड
मारोगा पहले, मैं भी मारूंगा, मतलब तुम मारेगा मैं मारूंगा. आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू स्कोर गोल्स टू विन मैचेस.
एग्जैक्टली, एंड आई थिंक अगर हम लियोन वाले गेम की बात करें, यस वी एंडेड अप कंसीडिंग 4 गोल्स, बट हमने फिर 5
हम्म.
मारे भी उनके ऊपर, भले ही हमने
हाँ.
जैसे भी करके मारे हो, बट हमने 5 मारे उनके ऊपर. तो अल्टीमेटली नोबडी विल रिमेंबर कि आपने कितने गोल कंसीड किए थे फाइनल में,
हम्म.
अनटिल एंड अनलेस आप अगर हार नहीं रहे हो, तो यहाँ पर आपकी विक्ट्री ही बात की जाएगी, आपका स्कोर लाइन कभी नहीं बात किया जाता. आप ट्रॉफी जीतोगे उसके बारे में बात होगी. यूनाइटेड हैव टू विन दिस फाइनल बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. It's not about satisfying the ego. It's about making sure that you're providing something to the manager so that he can build his team going into the summer
हम्म.
window. Because if you end up
And
losing this final,
हम्म.
this will take a hit on the pride. You have to take that. You have to swallow your ego and have to accept
हम्म.
that yes, you have been the most pathetic team in the season. And तुमने भले ही लीग फेज में तुमने अनडिफीटेड गए हो, तुमने फाइनल हारा है, तो तुम्हारा पूरा यूरोपा लीग का कैंपेन मींस नथिंग बिकॉज ओनली द
हम्म.
विनर्स आर बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड, नॉट द रनर्स अप.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो
हम्म.
वो
वो
एक
तो है
एरिया है
ही.
जहाँ पर
हम चैंपियंस लीग के टेबल पे टॉप पे थे, कोई मैच हारे नहीं थे, मतलब इतना सही रन था हमारा. बट देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे नोबडी इज गोइंग टू रिमेंबर दैट कि भाई लिवरपूल क्या किया था चैंपियंस लीग टेबल पे. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे द पीएसजी गेम मैटर्स. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ गुड पीएसजी वाज एंड हाउ बैड वी वर. सो कंक्लूजन तो हमेशा वही आएगा जो एंड में देखा जाएगा. एंड रीसेंसी बायस भी आ जाएगा. कोई आपका फर्स्ट गेम याद नहीं रखने वाला हाउ गुड यू वर. तो एट द एंड ऑफ द
एब्सोल्युटली.
डे ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल मैटर how United's or Tottenham's season would be. But who is that one Tottenham player that you're very scared of going into this final?
I think one player that I was very scared of was obviously Kulusevski because he is very good on that flank.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he got injured. I never wish for
Hmm.
anybody's injury because दोनों टीमें अगर अपने एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट पे स्क्वाड पे
Hmm.
खेलती तो मजा आता मैच देखने में. वैसे ही इन दोनों का परफॉर्मेंस
Hmm.
थ्रू आउट द लीग कैंपेन हैज बीन सो पैथेटिक. तो वैसे ही लोग बोल रहे हैं इट्स एन क्लाउन क्लासिको, इट्स एल शिटिगो फाइनल. बट आई थिंक अगर मैं उनको हटा दूं तो
Hmm.
Brennan Johnson is somebody and Solanke is somebody who can
Hmm.
actually kill us. Heung-min Son is obvious name हो जाता अगर मैं Heung-min Son का नाम लेता तो. जैसे यहाँ से अगर मैं ब्रूनो
वो
का
तो
नाम लूंगा
यूनिसन में
तो
आई थिंक
obvious.
सॉन
हाँ,
सॉन को एवरीबडी इज लाइक चीयरिंग कि भाई
obviously.
बंदे को एक
Yeah.
ट्रॉफी मिले. लाइक एज अ न्यूट्रल अगर आप बोलोगे तो आई डोंट, ये नहीं क्योंकि टॉटनम को सपोर्ट करना यूनाइटेड को, बट आई एम रियली थोड़ी टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स सॉन कि यार बंदा कुछ जीते बिकॉज ही वाज सो लॉयल टू द क्लब एंड हैज गिवन हिज प्राइम इयर्स टू द क्लब. तो कहीं ना कहीं आई एम टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स दैट नैरेटिव दैट ही एक्चुअली एंड्स अप विनिंग बिकॉज आई थिंक फ्रॉम द करंट स्क्वाड दैट इज प्लेइंग, आई थिंक प्लेइंग 11 में सिर्फ सॉन ही बचा है जो चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल वाला टीम
Yeah.
जो हारा था. आई थिंक
Yeah.
एवरीबडी इज मोस्टली चेंज्ड नाउ.
Yeah.
सो
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं वो जो एक लॉयल्टी रहता है टुवर्ड्स द क्लब विच यू आर सेइंग इज मिसिंग फ्रॉम योर ओन प्लेयर्स, आई थिंक वो एक बंदा है जो, मतलब मेरे को वो दिखता है उसमें. तो आई एम टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स कि हाँ भाई सॉन को थोड़ा हो. बट हाँ,
नहीं,
यू माइट नॉट बी लाइकिंग माई आंसर.
नहीं, I completely agree with that because see, you being the rival, obviously you wouldn't want United to win the Europa League, just like how I never wanted Liverpool to win the 20th league title. That makes sense. But yes, Son becomes the obvious choice because he's somebody
Hmm.
they all look up to, just like how Bruno is the guy for United. But other
Yeah.
than Heung-min Son, I think Solanke and Brennan Johnson are the two guys that can really, really kill our hopes of
Hmm.
winning the Europa League because they've got pace. Solanke is a very good
Yeah.
finisher. He's a fox in the box kind of a striker. He's aerially very, very good. And United do
Hmm.
struggle a lot while defending crosses and while defending set pieces. So wahan we need to be very alert. And Johnson, because of his raw pace, he is very quick,
Hmm.
and we don't have that much pace in our defense line.
यार अभी क्रिस्टल पैलेस जस्ट एफए कप जीता है अगेंस्ट मैन सिटी एंड व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस बाय डीन हेंडरसन आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ हिम उसका कहीं ना कहीं परफॉर्मेंस मैटर करा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बिकॉज बहुत टाइम सिटी ने बहुत अच्छे चांसेस क्रिएट किए थे एंड उसके अगेंस्ट खड़ा होना एंड कहीं ना कहीं यूनाइटेड लेट गो ऑफ Dean Henderson and going into a final, do you think if Dean Henderson was there instead of Onana, you would be more comfortable going into this match? Or you have
I
moved on?
I I could have, but seriously, एक बार player चला जाता है ना, तो फिर I rarely think about him being part of the
Hmm.
current squad. Just like how we have moved on from David De Gea, he was the
Hmm.
best goalkeeper. A club could have asked for in their shittiest time.
He was the
He
leadership quality.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he was the match winner in a team
Hmm.
where we lacked leaders, where we lacked champion mentality players, or we needed somebody to take responsibility and to keep us relevant. De Gea did that
Yeah.
because इस
Hmm.
साल क्या हुआ है, वो चीज ब्रूनो ने की है, लेकिन ब्रूनो का साथ देने वाला कोई और नहीं था उस टाइम पे. डेहिया वाज द गाय हु केप्ट who kept clean sheets after clean sheets, who saved United matches after matches, and United एक गोल
Hmm.
स्कोर करती थी और डेहिया यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर कि हम वो एक गोल कंसीड ना करें. तो
Hmm.
वहां पर हमने
वो
गंदी
खुद
फुटबॉल
पे
खेलते
लेता
हुए
था,
मैचेस.
वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता था खुद पे कि नहीं हमको ये मतलब यहाँ तक करना है जो कि मिसिंग है, वही हम बात कर रहे हैं पूरे वीडियो में अभी.
एग्जैक्टली तो हाँ, मतलब डीन एंडरसन अगर रहता तो शायद मैं ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट रहता. बट बात वही है, वी आल्सो लॉस्ट द यूरोपा लीग फाइनल विद डेविड डेहिया एज वेल व्हेल ही वाज देयर
Hmm.
वीएलईआर वाले गेम में. हम यहाँ पर एफए कप का फाइनल भी हारे थे व्हेन डेहिया वाज देयर अगेंस्ट मैन सिटी. तो
Yeah.
मतलब चीजें हुई हैं जहां पर हमारे हमारे अच्छे प्लेयर्स जो हमारे उस टीम का पार्ट रहे हैं, तो वो भी नहीं जिता
Hmm.
पाए हमें ट्रॉफीज. तो ठीक है, अब वही वाली बात है, इट्स टाइम टू मूव ऑन. डीन हेंडरसन is doing great with Crystal Palace, and I'm glad that he made that club successful. Although
Yeah.
he shouldn't have been there on the pitch because वो that was a red card offense. But वो अब hindsight
Hmm.
में अब हम देखेंगे तो हम उसके बारे में उतनी कम बात करेंगे, लेकिन अब हम रिजल्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे. As you said, as I said, it's the result that gets discussed and not the
Yeah.
the scenarios जो हुए मैच के अंदर. तो
Hmm.
यहाँ पर मैं वही बोलूंगा कि यूनाइटेड को अगर मैच जीतना है, एवरीबडी नीड्स टू गिव देयर 100% इन द यूरोपा लीग फाइनल.
Focus. Yeah. Yeah.
Play for your life, play for your survival, play for your
Hmm.
dreams for those 90 or 90 plus minutes, for whatever time the match gets concluded in.
Yeah.
Lekin make sure you are playing your best game of the season in that final against Spurs.
Yeah, exactly. एक ही मैच बचा है to prove anything. After that, this is done. The season is done. There is nothing else that you have to play for. So, of course, दोनों ही teams के लिए ये रहेगा कि we have to give our best. And I'm not gonna ask you for any predictions or something because that's bullshit. At the end of the day, you would want United to win and you would think about whatever prediction there is. But we will end this video with just one question. That post Sir Alex Ferguson's era, except for Bruno Fernandes, which is that one player you have absolutely loved?
Oh, absolutely loved. I would say there are more than couple of names, I would honestly say. First
Hmm.
is Casemiro. He came with the champion mentality, helped us win the Carabao
Hmm.
Cup. We were struggling very badly. शुरू के दो गेम हम हारे
Hmm.
थे. The third game we played against Liverpool at Old Trafford. He was there. उसका
Hmm.
unveiling उसी गेम में हुआ था. We won that game, and from that game we turned around our fortunes. Uh, then I would say it is Rafael Varane, another Madrid player who joined United.
Hmm.
His career's last game was the FA Cup final. He was not fully fit. He gave his everything, and he made us the winners of the FA Cup, defeating that Man City side that was very, very good.
Mm.
Also, why I said this, because Rafael Varane जो हमें मिला था, दैट वाज एन इंजरी प्रोन रफाल वरान. अगर वो मड्रिड वाला
Mm.
रफाल वरान हु वाज इन 16-17 वाला ईयर, वो अगर हमें मिलता, वी कुड हैव बीन सो गुड विद हिम. एंड टिल दिस डेट ही इज द बेस्ट सेंटर बैक पोस्ट फर्गसन एरा जो हमने साइन किया, without a shadow of a doubt. I
Yeah.
would have I would have said Licha's name as well in that list. For the passion, I would give him I would give him that place. But problem ye कि Licha has been so injured lately. I want him
Yeah.
to succeed at this club, but I love that guy. These three players alongside Bruno are the ones जो post Ferguson era आए हैं और जिन्होंने वो
Mm.
कनेक्शन मेंटेन करके रखा है विद द फैन बेस एंड हु प्लेड फॉर देयर बैच. इस बीच में और भी प्लेयर्स आए हैं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि प्लेयर्स नहीं आए हैं. देयर हैव बीन आंदर हरेरा हु केम एंड हु प्लेड फॉर द बैच. देयर वाज एडिनसन गवानी, वो 2 साल खेला एंड दोनों साल
Mm.
थरो प्रोफेशनल की तरह खेला. देन देयर
Yeah.
वाज रोनाल्डो हु लव्ड दिस क्लब. ही spoke about the wrongdoings at the club. He spoke about the wrong standards that were being set by Glazers and Richard Arnold,
Mm.
and to some extent Eric Ten Hag. He was unhappy with it and he called out the management for it. So yes, there have been players, but three players that I loved, post Ferguson era are Casemiro, Varane, and obviously Bruno Fernandes.
Okay, what about Harry Maguire? Like, I remember him being trolled brutally and how his years have been. He is a story that I feel someday would be actually बहुत प्यार की नजरों से बोली जाएगी एंड बहुत काइंडनेस से देखी जाएगी बिकॉज जितना ज्यादा ट्रोल वो बंदा हुआ है आई हैव नॉट सीन समबडी स्टैंडिंग अप अगेन एंड अगेन फॉर द क्लब. हम जो लीडरशिप के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, डोंट यू थिंक दैट हैरी मैगवायर आल्सो हैज दैट एंड हैज गिवन इट टू द क्लब? You see the Harry Maguire situation currently at United? Do you think वो मतलब what is your take on that?
I think I was also one of the guys who was absolutely against keeping Harry Maguire. But
I think
one thing
every one of us were, yeah.
I'll give one thing to him. You talk about the bad attitude of Marcus Rashford. You talk about the unprofessional behavior of Jadon Sancho. You talk about all the nuisance that players have created in respective clubs. I have not seen Harry Maguire do that. Not for once. He
Exactly.
has taken immense amount of abuses, immense amount of trolls. He has taken trolls against his family, against his wife, against his sister.
Hmm.
People abused him during matches, post matches. He was heavily trolled in the interviews. He was trolled in the
Hmm.
parliaments of other countries as well. But Harry Maguire, being Harry Maguire, responded to those criticism and to those critics with his brilliant performances. And this season, yes, he has re-established himself as one of the key figures at United, also one of the leaders of the pack. And हाँ मतलब I can understand, why people have started liking Harry Maguire, because he has got the right attitude, and I, to some extent, has
Hmm.
also started liking him because we do understand that we are not in a position to compete for Champions Leagues or the Premier Leagues, but we expect our players to play with a certain determination, to play with a
Exactly.
certain focus, and to play with a certain desire to win games. I
Hmm.
see that desire among few of the players. Like I see that desire in Lenny Yoro, Matthias
Hmm.
Zillet, Harry Maguire. I see that passion in Casemiro, Ugarte, Bruno Fernandes, and Amad Diallo, and Garnacho to some extent. Other than that, अगर मैं बात करूं, बहुत कम ऐसे players हैं जिनके अंदर वो fire दिखता है, who really wants to win, who really wants to make a
And
difference.
especially after facing so much with the same club, you know, not one bad thing has come out of his mouth about the club or about the fan base. It's a big thing. You have to be so thick-skinned to at least go through life like that. I think that was a big thing that we all have got to learn from Harry Maguire because इतना बंदा troll होने के बाद जैसे खड़ा है ना वहाँ पे भाई, it's a
Hmm.
big thing. But anyhow, all the best to you for your cup final. Let's see what happens. But as a neutral, I'm going to have a lot of fun, like watching the match, thinking कि अभी इसमें क्या होगा.
Everybody do, because nobody knows कि दोनों टीम क्या करने वाली है, तो हमें खुद नहीं पता कि मेरी टीम क्या करेगी. तो but yes, fingers crossed, hopefully we can win something
Yeah.
this season.
And thank you so much for coming here. I know मैंने बहुत immediately बुलाया, but आप immediately आए. बहुत लंबे टाइम के बाद we have had a proper discussion and बहुत मजा आया. वापस वो वाले दिन याद आ गए. So thank you so much, Mohak, for being here.
Thank you so much, Nitika, for having me, and it was a lovely discussion. See you soon.
Okay, ठीक है. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.